how to make emails go to a specific folder in Gmail. So all you have to do is to input your Gmail here and open your Gmail account. So what you're going to do next is to create a folder for your Gmail where you can put directly all the specific emails that you want to be collected there or to see there. So these are the examples of those folders as you can see here. So what you're going to do first is you may want to go here to your inbox and choose the or get the email of that person. So all you have to do is to copy that person's email. So after copying that, on the upper right, you will see settings, the gear icon. Click on that and go to see all settings. So once you're finished with that, go here to filters and block addresses. So on the upper part, you'll see these options here: inbox, accounts and import, filters and block addresses. Now here, create a new filter. Now what you're gonna do next is to paste that person's email here. And you can even add more if you want two emails in one container or in one folder. So if you're done with that, tap on create filter. Now after that, what you're gonna do is to click here to apply the label. So label here are the folders that you want them to be in. So here you have to choose a label if you already have the label for that. So for this tutorial, let's just make a new label here. And then what you're gonna do is to label that. Tap on create and then tap on create filter. Now, all the emails coming from that person or from that email will be now placed here. So let's just go here to our inbox. Now, maybe you're wondering here on our inbox, you can still see that person's email, right? That is because we still haven't received a new email coming from that. That is because we haven't still received any new email coming from that person. So let's just try here and send an email. On my inbox, I have a new message coming from that specific email, right? Now, as you can see, you will see the label here. Now, once we go here to our folder or to our label, you will now see the message, the new message from that specific email account. And basically, that is it. And that is how to make emails go to a specific folders in Gmail. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.